Good day, everyone, and welcome to my pre-market analysis. I do this every Sunday here in my channel. I do a top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the 15 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. This is my preparation before market opens, and this is what I do to know if I'm going to buy or if I'm going to sell this week. So this is what I do every Sunday, and I post this every Sunday on my channel, so you can see the pre-market analysis every Sunday in my channel. So let's dive into it. Let's break down the chart together. Let's see what the price has for all this week. So here is the reconstruction to the upside on the daily time frame before market corrected, before it reversed back to this demand zone. So here is the demand zone that price has tested. It has tested here some like twice now, and so I'm going to be focusing on this current structure on the daily time frame. This is where my focus will be on, and you can see the break of structure to the downside before it tested the daily demand zone. And here is my swing high on the daily time frame. So here is my swing low. This is my daily swing low. So I've marked up my daily range. So this is the range I'll be focusing on when market opens tomorrow. So this is where I'll be taking my buys from or my sell from. So as you can see, price after price tested the daily demand zone, there's a break of structure to the upside. So if buyers are going to work, they will keep on pushing price to the upside to test the daily swing high. So we don't know if the buyers on the daily time frame will be active enough to push price to the upside, or sellers will take price downward. We don't know yet. So on the forward time frame, we are going to analyze accordingly to what we have marked up on the daily time frame. So on the forward time frame, this is the break of structure to the upside on the forward time frame. The gold chart has been in a bearish structure for months now, and we have been selling gold. So we are going to be very careful when we talk of buying gold at the moment. So here is the 4-hour demand zone where price is currently reacting from. After price tested the daily demand zone, this is what price created for us. This is the look that price gave to us after it tested the daily demand zone. It's trying to tell us that the buyers are coming up, but we don't know if the buyers will be strong enough to counter every hurdles along the way. So this is the look on the forward time frame. There's a break of structure to the upside, and it has tested the 4-hour demand zone. This is the 4-hour swing high I will be focusing on. This is the range we are trading. This is the daily range we are going to be trading. So I don't know if buyers are strong enough to push price upward. I'll be very careful on buying gold, neither as selling gold. So the 1-hour time frame, the price is still in a bearish structure, and there are no clear signs or there are no clear bullish structure yet on the chart that will convince me to start buying gold at the moment, because the market is still in a bearish structure. So here is the break of structure to the downside before price tested the 4-hour demand zone. As you can see, the price is still in a bearish structure. Even in the 1-hour time frame, the price is still in a bearish structure. So it's going to be wise to stay out till a clear bullish structure appears on the chart. If I'm going to look for a buy, on gold this week, or if market opens, then I will need price to take out a significant high on the 1 hour time frame, which is this high. This is the high I want price to take out before I can be convinced enough to buy gold for the week. Until price do such, I'm not doing anything. So on the 1 hour time frame, we still have a bearish structure and a bearish order block that price had tested last week Friday before market closed. So this is the bearish structure and the bearish order block that price had tested. Price might want to react from there to the downside, or price might want to go up and test the 1 hour swing high. So we don't know what price will do when markets open. So on the 15-minute time frame, which is my entry time frame, this is where I end my analysis. This is where I get my setups from. So on the 15-minute time frame, from the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, to the 1 hour to the 15-minute time frame, there are no clear bullish structure yet on the chart, even though price has tested a 4-hour demand zone. Yeah, there are no clear bullish structure for me to buy gold, as I have said before, that I will want a clear break of structure from the 1 hour swing high before I can buy gold. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is what price has done last Friday. Price has approached a bearish order block. This is a bearish order block that price has approached. So price might want to move down from there to the downside. So on the 1 hour, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame to see. I have another bullish point of interest on the 1 hour time frame, which is this place. This is the 1 hour point of interest I have. So price might respect these 2 points of interest here. So this is the local. So on the 15-minute time, on the 15-minute time frame, we have 2 points of interest right now, which I want to watch out for before I make any trading decision this week or when market opens. The first point of interest and the second point of interest. So if price can take away this high to the upside, then I'm good to buy gold. If not, I will be waiting for only sales signals, but I will not want to sell from this first point of interest. I would want price to come to the second point of interest. That is the point of before I can look for any sell. But I will be I will be so careful to jump on any trade when market opens, because the price is in a very critical demand zone. So we don't know what the buyers are going to do. We don't know what the sellers are going to do. So it's very confusing at the moment, but I will stay on the chart when the market opens to know what to do. So these are the 2 points of interest I have. The first one and the second one, which I think price might respect if they want to keep on pushing price to the downside. On the 1 hour time frame, I want to draw something that I will be expecting on the 1 hour time frame. So these are the 2 points of interest I have on the 1 hour time, on the 15-minute time frame. So this is what I want price to do for me before I can buy gold, before I can have that confidence enough to buy gold. This current 1 hour swing high, yes, I want price to take away this high for me before I can start looking for buys. So this is what I want price to do. Price can move up, then break out the swing high to the upside, push down, then I can look for buys from here to target the high again. So this is what I will be looking at for any bullish structure on the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame. This is my outlook for buys. This is what I want to see before I can buy gold. This is what I want to see on the chart before I can buy gold this week. or when market opens tonight. And the look for me to, and what I want to see before I can sell gold is this look. Price, take liquidity, then push downward. This is it. So this is what I'll be looking at for when market opens. It's either I wait for price to take away the high, or I look for a sell signal when price tests this extreme supply zone, the 1 hour time frame. So this is my analysis for the week. This is what I want price to do, and before I can commit to any trading decision this week. So guys, I have analyzed from the daily time frame to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm not going to jump on any trade, but I will be so vigilant to see what price will do. So these are my 2 points of interest. I've dropped my drawings on what I'm going to look for before I do any trade, either I buy or I sell. So this is it, guys, and thank you for watching.